Hello, my name is Esesoe O. I just recorded a similar video for my other course and it was 9 minutes, but I understand we only have 2 to 3 minutes to complete this, so this will be much shorter and I'm going to try and not talk as fast or talk too fast, but yes. Okay, so I currently do not work right now. I'm 7 months pregnant and was working with an elderly population, so myself being at risk times two, I just decided to not work and stay home. I've been a nurse since 2017. I graduated from nursing school as well. Started working in 2017. I started off as an administrative nurse at a home health care agency, and then I went on to be a labor and delivery / med surg nurse, primarily labor and delivery. And then I did pediatric home health, which I loved, and then most recently long-term acute care nurse, where I worked at geriatric hospitals and a convent most recently. I'm from Houston, Texas, born and raised. I am of Nigerian descent. My parents were both born in Nigeria and then had all of their children in the U.S., so I'm Nigerian American. My hobbies, currently don't have so many hobbies going on right now. Staying in all the time. Love to hang out with family and friends, just be very chill. I'm pretty active in the sense that I just like to move around a lot. Excuse me, I'm very sorry. Something about my family. I come from a family of 7 people, my immediate family, that is, both of my parents, and then I have 4 other siblings, not including myself, so there's 5 of us. 4 girls, 1 boy. Everybody's a nurse. All 7 of us are in the nursing field. My parents are nurses working in the healthcare industry. My sister is the oldest, is a nurse practitioner. My brother is an LVN. I'm a BSN getting my NP, and my 2 younger sisters are nurses as well, practicing nurses. One thing that people may not know about me, don't have too many interesting facts, but in the other video for the other course, I just put down that, or I said that I met a couple celebrities in my life. Just a random fact. Played laser tag with Dwight Howard, the basketball player, if anybody knows basketball. The MP concentration, that I've chosen is FNP. I was women's health because I started off on the women's health track because I love women's health, but then I switched over to FNP so that I could not, or I would not rather limit myself work-wise after graduation. My career goal is just to become an NP, possibly a DNP, and just have autonomy over my own schedule and work more independently as a healthcare provider. Ask instructor a question, one thing you would like to know about this course, NP, practice, or clinical. I would like to ask the professor, in your years of nursing, what was the most interesting role you've undertaken? Don't want to ask another question because I could ask some more questions, but that is a question that I have. I'm excited for the course. Ready to learn about complementary therapies for nursing. I believe that it'll be a big help. Nice to meet you all, classmates and professors, and hope to talk to you all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.